Before I begin the video, I will remind you to please click like if you like my content, and subscribe to our channel, tell a friend, and more importantly, go to our website and send us your email address to become a VIP, that we can send you announcements and VIP benefits that we'll think of as we go along. So thank you very much, and let's go on. Today I'll talk about how to propagate your bonsai to make more bonsai. That could be from seeds, from cutting, from air layering, or from division. They're all very quick way of getting additional bonsai. Seeds oftentimes is the easiest to propagate. You came across a tree in the fall with the fruits ripen. You can pick it, you can wash it, dry it out, put it in the refrigerator for 60 to 90 days. And then you can plant it out in soil. Just keep it moist, don't let it dry out. And it will seed very quickly in the springtime. The plus, of course, you will get a lot of trees very quickly, seedlings. The problem is that the seedling often is different from the mother tree. Almost by definition, it's a variant. They are very different. So the other hazard is that you can have a lot of trees and only very few that has the characteristic you like. So I rather prefer to do by cuttings. Let's say if you have a treasured bonsai, it usually sends out some nice shooting in the spring and summer. And you can take something 4 to 6 inches long, put some rooting hormone on it, and put it in the moist rooting medium, which I talk about many times in our website. And if you do it the semi-soft wood during the spring, you will have rooted cuttings to plant out, I'll say 3 months from then. Usually they root in about 4 to 6 weeks. That is a good way to know exactly what the tree varieties you got. And the next thing that's very easy to do is air layering. Air layering basically is you take a branch, could be quite thick, and you gird the tree by removing a layer of bark. And then you put hormone on it, rooting hormone on it, and you wrap it tight with sphagnum moss and cover with plastic sheet. Well, one other thing that you had to do that you often encounter is that you buy a tree that's grafted, and the graft mark will never go away. So if you want to make that into a bonsai, the thing to do is air layer above the graft mark and bury the tree, or air layer above the gray mark by wrapping moss on it so that you can get rid of the graft mark. And I think dividing the trees also is very interesting because each tree can be split into many different parts, and you get very old trees with an interesting trunk very quickly. I think that's pretty much about propagation, but experiment your own method. Every condition is a little different, but rooting, propagation by rooting, by cuttings, air layering are all very easy way of getting bonsai very quickly. So you can increase your bonsai quickly, and for a gift to your friends, to share with your children, your family, to teach them the value of bonsai. I think that's all very enjoyable. So thank you very much. I hope to see you next time. Well, thank you very much for watching today's video. Subscribe to our channel and tell a friend. And most importantly, go to our website and sign up to become our VIP so that we can send you announcements of special considerations. Thank you very much. See you next week.